Welcome back. We will learn about the conditional statements. The conditional statements, also known as decision control structures, are used for decision making in the C program. They also are called as decision making statements. They are used to evaluate a condition and make decision whether to execute a set of statements or not. And these statements decide the direction of flow of program execution. The conditional statements are if else, nested if, ternary operator, ladder if, switch case. If condition. The if statement is the most simple decision-making statement. So if a certain condition is true, then a block of statements are executed, or else the statements are not executed. The syntax is if, condition, and then the statements to be executed. If else. If statements are executed when the condition becomes true. If the condition fails, then the statements within the else block is executed. So the syntax is if, condition, and then the statements to be executed. So if the condition fails, the statements within the else case gets executed. Nested if else. So it is possible to include if else statement inside the body of another if else statement. And this is the syntax. If condition, if this condition is true, then we go for another condition checking if second condition. Okay, now we'll write a program to understand the if condition. Hash include stdio.h void main unbrace. So I am writing a program to check if the balance available in the account is sufficient for transaction. So I'm getting the user input balance. Before that, I'll write a printf. Enter your balance. Now I'm going to check if the balance that is entered by the user is greater than 5,000. Then printf to have sufficient balance. Okay, that's it. Now we'll save the code. Source file. If code. Okay. GCC code.c -o. Yes. Now I'm executing it. It is asking for a balance. I'll enter 7,000. So it has executed as you have sufficient balance. Now there is a case if we entered a balance less than 5,000. So in that case, you have to print you have entered insufficient balance. So in that case, we are going to use else part. So we'll look into the code now. Now I'm writing an else part for this. Insufficient balance. Okay, I'm just saving it. Now I'm just entering the compilation part, execution part. Okay, now I'm going to enter a value less than 5,000. See, I have got the answer as insufficient balance. Okay, in the next video, we'll continue with the conditional statements, other conditional statements. Thank you.